welcome the amazing filmmaker, actor Anurag Kashyap ji. Sir, so since you're staying here in Bengaluru, no need of me welcoming you like welcome to Bengaluru and all. So this place is yours now. And also about the cinema, over to you.
Hello. I'm so happy I've found a new home in Bangalore. And it's amazing. It's great weather, great people, great food, and so much space. I had forgotten what gardens and trees look like living in Bombay. But I'm so happy I'm here. I'm so happy I'm part of this film. And it's all credit to Advi and Chanel and Supriya and the whole team. And I believe that the second highest collections of the film is from Bangalore. So thank you, Bangalore.
What do you want to say about your role, sir?
My role is like, I don't know, it's in the hands of the architects, which is Chanel and Junior Pawan and Shesh and everyone, because I enjoyed doing this. It was something that I had not done before. I did not know about the whole cultural aspect of it, and I was glad that somebody saw me as a normal person, a character, and not a psychopath. So it was quite good, and plus, yes, physically it was challenging, but I was very happy that I went through it.
Okay, so just one question. So you were a co-writer in the movie Satya.
Yes.
And also for many movies.
Yes.
And like Devdi, Devdas, Gulal. So being a writer, Advi Shesh is also a co-writer of the story. So what do you want to say being a writer about the story of the film?
I don't know. I was here as an actor, so I was not here to. I finally found out what the story of the film is when I saw it. So, he only told me what my character is, and the impact of that character only comes by the time the film ends. And all the scenes we shot in pieces. So you're trying to put together the pieces, you're trying to put pieces together in your head to make sense of the film. When you really see the film, you realize how this character puts those pieces together also for the audience. So that for me was, it makes him very important. But while shooting, I was only trying to focus on getting it right and seeing the smile on my director, writer, producer's face, that they were happy with it or not.
That's fine. Any questions? Any ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಇದೆಯಾ ಅನುರಾಗ್ ಕಶ್ಯಪ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ? Yes, please.
Good evening, sir. Detaching from box office can help every director and producer to take big risks.
Yes, true. I detached. I've been detached from the box office in a very organic way. I didn't have it as a director. In the sense, for me, getting a film released was the biggest struggle. Getting a film made and released was the biggest struggle. Box office becomes a struggle for a lot of filmmakers who are used to it. Especially if a filmmaker by chance gets a big box office, then I feel like it becomes a trap. So for me, I was organically detached. So I just make the films that I want to make. Many a times what happens is massive success, not just doesn't force the filmmaker as much as it makes the market force the filmmaker to keep making the same thing. A lot of filmmakers can feel lost. The market forces you to make a film, and then it becomes a formula. So every successful filmmaker often sticks to the formula that he has discovered by chance.
Acting is a challenge or directing? Directing more acting?
I think filmmaking comes easy, but everything is a challenge. Every day for me, like, I look at everything and I have to do it well. And acting in a language that's not mine, to the satisfaction of the filmmaker, is a big challenge.
So ಈಗ sir, please stay back. We will call the hero of the movie, the wonderful Advishesh on stage, please. ಆಂಧ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ನಂದಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ತೆಲಂಗಾಣದ ಗದ್ದರ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತ ಅದ್ವಿಶೇಷ್ ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕಂಗ್ರಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕೌಟ್. Okay, so yeah, I'll just pass on the mic to you.
Namaste Andy. First of all, great many apologies for the delay. I promise you we were not late. Okokka interview వాళ్ళు 15 minutes selfie. By the time we came, it 1.5 hour delay. So I'm so sorry. Media మిత్రులందరికీ కూడా I apologize. It was not the intention to make you wait. We ran as far as we could, and then one more small devil happened, Bangalore traffic. So we crossed that and we came. I apologize. Having said that, just got news. Decoy touched 50 crores at the box office. Very happy. 8th day ke vachesindi. So it's I want to thank the audience. Career biggest opening idi. And అదే కాకుండా హైదరాబాద్ తర్వాత వరల్డ్ లో హైయెస్ట్ కలెక్షన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ బెంగళూరు. సో ఇక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చే ప్రేమ, ఇట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ గ్లాడ్ దట్ వి మేడ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ హిందీ అండ్ తెలుగు, బికాస్ Anurag sir was a live witness to somebody saying this word in Hindi today. So he got convinced that he should watch the Hindi version. He still hasn't seen it. He's only seen the Telugu version. Very, very happy. And most importantly, I just feel a lot of love. So thank you so much. The kind of love that you have given. This film is about love. మీరు చూస్తే అండి, టైటిల్ ఎంత పెద్దగా ఉందో, కింద ఒక ప్రేమ కథ ఆల్సో ఇస్ రిటన్ దట్ బిగ్, బికాస్ ఒక ప్రేమ కథ ఇస్ ద ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఆన్ విచ్ ద ఫిల్మ్ సిట్స్ ఆన్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం కొంచెం బ్రెయిన్ గేమ్ ట్విస్ట్ కాకుండా మనసుతో గేమ్ ఆడాలనిపించింది. సో I hoped that it would do well, and I'm so glad that it has. Thank you so much.
Hari, పెళ్లి చేసుకుందాము. I'm sure all the girls you want to ask this question, right?
Anusha, మీరు మరీ అలా అడిగేస్తే ఏం చెప్పండి.
Okay, so he's so into the character. If you say Hari, like you say, okay, this is what the actor is into.
Yes,
all right. Okay, so all the anta paata questions. Bangalore ఎలా ఉంది, XYZ, and we can't ask you now because you have become a second Bangalorean now.
Yeah, అంటే ఇవాళ we did one Red FM interview. అక్కడ పాప యాంకర్ RJ, she's హిందీ Red FM అన్నమాట. Welcome to Bangalore sir. I tell you about Bangalore. I was telling her అన్నమాట. So it was funny, but very glad. I do want to say the only thing left is for me to do a Kannada film. So far I've not been offered one, so whenever I'll be offered, I've been offered Hindi films but not any Kannada film. So open request to my friends and filmmakers in Kannada, happy to consider collaborating.
Wow, amazing. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷಕರವಾಗಿರುವಂತ ವಿಚಾರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿರ್ಮಾಪಕರು ನೋಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಕೂಡ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ದೆನ್.
యా, ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే నాకు ఐఎమ్ ఏబుల్ టు, ఇట్స్ సో ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్, even without English words, even Shuddha Kannada, I'm able to completely understand now. So that has become very good. Hopefully I'll be able to speak it soon. But if you give me dialogues, I'll speak without accent, I promise.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬರೋ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'll teach you, I'll call you and I'll teach you ಕನ್ನಡ.
ನಂಬರ್ ಇವಾಗ
ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಇವ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರಿಗಂತೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಂತೀರಾ?
మీరు మరీ అంత ప్రాపర్ లా అడగట్లేండి.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ. ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸರ್? ಓಕೆ.
సో యాక్చువల్లీ ఏమైందంటే అండి, 2 ఫిలిమ్స్ డెలివర్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది. అండ్ మాకు 7 అసిస్టెంట్ డైరెక్టర్స్, ఆల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం. దే వర్ నాట్ క్యాచింగ్ అప్ ద స్పీడ్. సో నేను డైరెక్టర్ స్ప్లిట్ అయ్యాం. I was taking care Telugu version, he was taking care Hindi version. That's why I couldn't come. అందుకనే ఫస్ట్ బయటికి వెళ్ళింది ఇక్కడికే. మేము ఢిల్లీకి వెళ్ళలేదు, ఇంకెక్కడికి వెళ్ళలేదు. రిలీజ్ తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ వచ్చింది ఇక్కడికి. బికాజ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు కమ్ హియర్. లాస్ట్ 2 ఫిల్మ్స్కి వచ్చాను, డిలేలో సార్.
ಅನುರಾಗ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಒಂದ್ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಪಗಂಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಅನುರಾಗ್ ಅವರು ಸೌತ್ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ ಅಂತ?
No, I'm much more happier here. In the sense, I don't need to get into the discussion and argument constantly of here at peace. I can sit and write or act or do whatever things, and I have a lot of filmmakers, friends across South India, from Andhra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, that whole belt. And there's a kind of a crisis that every cinema deals with from time to time. So there's a crisis of ideas at the moment. So there's a wave of a film. At one film, since December, there's one film that's been working and nothing else has been working. So everybody's rewriting, everybody's redoing. But the thing is, I dread for a formula, because I have always seen that once a film breaks a ceiling, it is sometimes an alarm bell. A lot of, like, when Sairat became such a big success, everybody started aiming for that success rather than trying to make a new kind of a film. So I'm saying, when, say for example, when Aditya Dhar made a Dhurandhar, he was not trying to make another Animal or Bahubali or whatever it is. He was making his own film. So instead of learning that we should make our own films with all our passion and conviction, everybody is trying to guess that which film will make 1,200 crores. So that's the problem that happens with the studio and the producer, and I want to step away from that. That's precisely the reason. And when it comes to what, say, one person's perspective is propaganda, then the opposing perspective also becomes counter propaganda. So I think I like to make films that hold similar and be factual.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಸರ್ ಪಾತ್ರ ಬಂದ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಕಥೆ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅನುರಾಗ್ ಸರ್ ಬಂದ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ?
వినిపించలేదు లోకేష్, ఎక్కువ స్పీకర్. అంటే లోకేష్, ఇప్పుడు ఐ ఫీల్ సర్స్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ ఆన్ అవర్ పర్ఫార్మెన్సెస్ వాజ్ అ బిట్ మోర్ దెన్ ద రైటింగ్. డెఫినెట్లీ హిందీ వర్జన్ కి చాలా సార్లు we would request her to refine the lines, that inherent, one small thing, మాట్లాడచ్చు. One small thing is that ఏం స్పీకర్ బంద్ చేయట్లా. So one thing we felt was it was nice to sort of cheat sir a little bit and have India's best Hindi dialogue writer on set and get him to approve our lines. So that was a nice cheat we did, but we're just grateful. And ఒక్క సీన్లో ఆయన యాక్టింగ్ గురించి చెప్పింది for Mrinal in one climax scene and one for me in the market fight scene between us. I think it really helped those scenes and we ended up using those in the trailer, as you can see.
Thank you very much, guys. One last question.
Hi sir. Sir, this is Ramesh from D5 Kannada. Hi sir. Sir, మీరు 2002లో ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చారు. అప్పుడు సినిమా స్టార్ట్ అయింది మీ కెరీర్. ఇప్పుడు దాకా ఒక 20కు ఎక్కువ సినిమాలు చేసింటారు. ఒక బిగ్గెస్ట్ హిట్ కోసం చాలా కష్టపడి ఉంటారు. డకాయిత్ అలాంటి సాటిస్ఫై ఇచ్చిందా మీకు?
అంటే యాక్చువల్గా నేను 2002లో రాలేదండి. ఏమైందో చెప్తాను. నాకు 15 years అప్పుడు ఇండియాకి హీరో అవుదామని వచ్చా. గడ్డం రాసుకోవడానికి నాకు ఇంకా గడ్డం రాలేదు. సో అమ్మని మస్కర్ అడిగి రాసుకున్నాను. ఒక డైరెక్టర్ ప్రామిస్ చేశారు, ఇంకో డైరెక్టర్ని కల్పిస్తాను. కట్ చేస్తే నేను ఒక సినిమాలో హీరో అని నాకు చెప్పారు. నాకు తెలియదు. ఒక ఎన్ఆర్ఐ అల్లుడుగా 2 minutes రోల్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఒక వెళ్ళిపో అన్నారు. అది జరిగింది. ఐ కేమ్ బ్యాక్ ఇన్ 2011. after I grew up, and it's been a beautiful journey. 2011 to 2015 I was a villain in Telugu cinema. Like under South Indian actors, like first villain ga vastam, appudu hero ga vastam. 16 క్షణంతో life మారింది. And అప్పటి నుంచి every film my producers have made more and more money, and every film the audience has given me more and more love. So I'm grateful.
సార్ కన్నడలో కూడా రిలీజ్ చేసి ఉండొచ్చు కదా సార్. ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులో ఇందులో ఉంది. తెలుగు
వినిపించలేదు సార్ స్పీకర్.
తెలుగు 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 మరి కన్నడలో మాత్రం లేదు కదా సినిమా.
అవును సార్, ఈ సినిమా మేము తమిళ్, కన్నడ, మలయాళంలో డబ్ చేయలేదు. వి డెంట్ వాంట్ టు డూ ఇట్ as పాన్ ఇండియా, వి వాంట్ టు డూ ఇట్ బైలింగ్వల్. ఎందుకంటే ఈ ఫిల్మ్లో మీరు ట్రైలర్లో కూడా చూస్తే అన్ని టైట్ క్లోజప్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో వీ ఓన్లీ వాంటెడ్ ఐస్, లిప్స్, వాయిస్, ఫీలింగ్ ఆల్ టు మ్యాచ్. సో వీ షార్ట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ 2 languages. వీ డింట్ జస్ట్ అలా డబ్ చేసేద్దామని వీ డింట్ వాంట్ టు డబ్. వీ ఓన్లీ షార్ట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ 2 languages. సో ఇట్ ఆల్సో డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద ఫిల్మ్. ఇప్పుడు నా నెక్స్ట్ గూఢచారి 2 వీఆర్ డబ్బింగ్ ఇంటూ కన్నడ. దానికి రీజన్ ఏంటంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ అ స్పెక్టికల్ ఫిల్మ్. యాక్షన్ ఉంది, ట్విస్ట్ ఉంది. దిస్ ఈస్ ఫీలింగ్స్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఆథెంటిక్గా జస్టిస్ చేయాలని నా ఫీలింగ్. సో నాకున్న తాపత్రయం ఏంటంటే ఒక జెన్యూన్ కన్నడ ఫిల్మ్ చేస్తే ఇంకా బెటర్గా ఉంటుంది. అవునండి, ಐ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹಿಂದಿ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಬ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ವರ್ಷನ್.
ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಕೂಡ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಹೊರಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪತ್ರಿಕಾ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರು ಸಮಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ ಕಾದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ವಿಶೇಷ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇ ತರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಹಾಗೆ ವಿ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಗಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.